if 100 is enough. Let me make canvas size 200. I want to make something big. This is my burger. Well, it doesn't look like anything, but it's supposed to be the outlines of my burger. It doesn't look like much. This more looks like a burrito stuff than anything else. Hold up. I need to make a cup. Cup. If we think this cup has been smooshed by something, I'm pretty sure it works. Like, it speaks to the imagination. Maybe we should just try to ignore this and just continue with something else. Okay, that's my burger. Okay. It has a nice form. Not bad. It's like a big burger. Like big. Maybe we can add some ketchup too. Alright. I'm sorry, I was breathing in the mic, wasn't I? Sorry.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Okay. This annoying boss battle. I only had to do it for Shenhe. Luckily. You did that? Well, me too. It's almost dinner time anyway. 1 hour 50? Okay, nice. Yeah, well, 1 hour 50. Gotta get out of work first. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's almost the same time then. I just don't count little numbers in the clock. I'm really bad with time, actually. It's very surprisingly bad. You snacked on the cookies were for the guests? Well, a lot of people do that, don't worry. If they look good, you know? You can always buy new cookies for guests, you know? Who will notice, you know? There, that makes more sense, does it? Doesn't it? This cheese is very yummy looking. Yeah, we have our cheese. Okay. The shading should be a little more orangey, I think. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, now we're gonna make ketchup looking liquids. Oh, I love this theme, this boss battle song. Actually, all summer songs are really nice, aren't they? You know, I was really sad about one thing of this song. Whenever I was playing it on Genshin Impact, I never came past this moment of the song. And the more time you take during the boss battle, the better the song sounds like. And I never reached it because it was like done in a blink. Unless you use Sino for it, then you have to like really take care what you do. Because it has like a move that if you charge it 3 times, it goes haywire. I was always fighting it with ice, so I never knew. Until I fought it on the Abyss with Sino. Ay. Yeah. It's just like, I only did like the 12th because of the achievements, and honestly it is unfun. Like, unless you have like a team that can do 100k every shot, it's not fun. Yeah, it's not. Like, I can do the one before last, but it's just, you're not getting the rewards anyway. Like, before that, 9, 10, 11, all 3 stars. The 12th is gonna be 2 stars. What are you getting? Not enough. So 2 stars of even 0. Like, you're just gonna be happy if you survived, you know? Well, the information is on a Genshin. Shall I open it and just check it out? Otherwise, I'll open it later and just make a screenshot for in the Discord. How about that? I don't like this Marana song, actually. It's a little too aggressive for me. And the next one is Scaramouche. I think I should put like... Yeah. No, I don't know. Maybe the last one was better. How do you draw a burger?
Never.
No, I'm saying the soundtrack is at Fontaine right now, and we listen to all the boss fights, right?
Yeah.
From Mondstadt to like literally Fontaine now.
Yeah, I know. But here's the thing. Genshin will never end.
Well, they have to like keep on making content, right? Yeah, let's go. C6 Ayaka when? You give me an idea. I don't have C1 Ayaka yet. So might as well go for C1. Have you fought like these very strong NPCs before? One of them literally KO'd Lini like a million times. And then Dilek had like an awesome sword fight with one of those. And now Lini's like, yeah. I'm not really building any archers though. This actually makes me think about the conservatorium where I played flute. It's really nice. This Fontaine music didn't really give me much memories yet, but I'm pretty sure they will come once Notline is available. It's more like peaceful, and the enemies in Sumeru are kinda laughable because it's literally dugongs. Like, you don't want to hurt them. Dugongs or crabs, and then you have Sumeru Desert, where nothing... where everything you encounter is wanting to kill you. You're not finding any cheap, like, sweet NPCs in the desert, because if you find something, it probably wants to kill you. Really funny. And now you have Inazuma, where you just don't want to roam and get their stuff. Like, gathering stuff in Sumeru Desert is already a pain because it literally walks away from you. And in Inazuma, if you stand in the water still, or like if you're somewhere, then you're literally dying because you're standing still somewhere. And Sumeru is just Sumeru. Hey, you can explore underwater, nothing will damage you. Isn't that funny? The like exploration in Fontaine for me is like just relaxing, like letting yourself float underwater and nothing is gonna attack you, except from manta rays or some weird bosses, like bosses. I wish you could catch those swimming otters. They're so cute. They're so cute. Okay, now we're gonna start at the actual red burger thing. Something. The burger, yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen to Child actually. He'll probably do fine, but he got like yeeted away so many times. He probably got like a trauma by this point. I think that farm is nice. Maybe like erasing a little bit more stuffies. Yeah, I like this. Cloud, how are you doing? Good afternoon, almost good evening. This sounds so Octopad, by the way. I can't even. Feels like it's not. How do you say that? imbalance. Okay, I'm happy about the top part. Then we're working slightly down over here. There we go. That's a big bun, by the way. Like big bun. Okay. Now, are we gonna make some wrapping, like a wrapping paper or something? Yeah, there we go. Hey, you know what? This looks good.
Yes, it does. Now I'm hungry.
It's almost food anyway. I think we can draw some drink behind it actually. Like, since I can't draw cups, I'm just gonna draw the upper part anyway. Now, cola. What does cola look like? Dark brown? Like coffee. I don't wanna draw coffee. More like red brown, right? This color. No, actually really dark. Alright, that's nice, that's nice. Okay. Well, have a lovely evening. I'm gonna shut down soon as well. And then I'm gonna have my rest. It's gonna be yum yum time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll be back later. Like, I don't know yet what date, but I'll just I'll think about it. I'll write it down in the Discord. I need a big rest now. There we go. Like, I'm not finished with the cup yet. I need to do actually like a lot to finish this cup. Some nice shading. Yeah, you know, people can draw trees or rocks, and cups are not really looking like a rock, so that's maybe why. Otherwise, like, I don't really have black in my picture, so it'll be weird. I'm not gonna draw a straw. I think it's good. I need to I think finish this off, and then I'm just gonna showcase my stuff, and I'm gonna quit for today because it's close to food time. So, alright. I actually like how this looks like. Let's make a little more shades. That's the wrong, it's the wrong one. Layer one. Yes. There we go. Hey, you know what? This looks amazing. What about one fry? Like literally one. What does fry look like? I already ate all the rest of the fries. No, I can't because I don't eat red meat. So I ate your fries and left your burger. How about that? Yeah. I mean, that single fry actually looks nice, right? Yeah, so... yeah. Alright, it's time to go.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm tired and we're going to eat. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for hanging out. I'll be back later. You can find it in like Discord when I'm gonna be live probably.